We're here today at Oxford North for the Lang O'Rourke project. On this project we've installed 2 tower cranes. The tower crane behind us has an internal T-lift pre-mounted into it. The T-lift is primarily designed for the operator welfare to help support their access and egress to and from their workplace, but also for relief times when they want to go for a rest break or lunch or even on driver changeovers. The T-lift then also provides additional support to maintenance crews for maintenance operations and for the erection teams to gain access to the top of the crane. The T-lift can also provide fast access for any first aid requirements. It only takes then a couple of minutes to get to the top of the crane, whereas if you was climbing the mast section, it would take a lot longer depending on height.